Hi, I'm Melissa, and today I am going to be doing an unboxing from Nickel and Suede. They make some fabulous earrings that are super lightweight, which is a requirement for me. So this first pair that I'm wearing is called the Coco Teardrops, and this is a medium size, which is actually still very large. When I purchased these earrings, this was on a special, or I think if you spent $50, you got a pair of the Coco Teardrops for free. So I actually got these earrings for free. Regular price though is $32, and they're made out of leather. It's a very heavy duty type of leather for this kind of earring, but they just seem like really good quality. They're still not too heavy to wear at all. And like I said, this medium size is still very large, and you can see it really well. All right, so let's see what else I got. Next pair I got here. These are the Rose Nova leather earrings, and these are the medium size. Super cute design, loving that. These are also priced at $32. And let's go ahead. Lost the back off that one, so it'll be easier to take off. How cute are these? So shiny and pretty. Really lightweight. They're even lighter than these, which, like I told you, I love lightweight earrings. These are super light. I think the leather is just lighter. I love those. Rose Nova. So cute. Okay, and these are crazy. I told you I think I like big earrings, so I got a pair of the large. Holy bananas! Look at how big these earrings are. When they say large, they mean large. These are giant. So these are also $32. These are the Sugar Plum Teardrops. I definitely think the medium is big enough and much more wearable. But let's try this on and see what we think. These are actually, they're totally wearable, but you see how it pulls in my ear a little? I really don't like it to pull in my ear at all because I don't want my ears to, you know. So I would definitely say go with a medium instead of a large. These are kind of too big. They look cute, but this is just much more comfortable. I feel like this is a little heavy. I don't know, I might see if I can swap this for a medium. Even though it's really pretty, I think it's just a little too heavy for me. But I love the style. I love the color. I would just prefer this in a medium. So I will probably see if I can swap that out. So this is super cute. It's included for free. Shine Bright. Little pin. You've got this cute sticker and just some information about the company. So overall, I'm loving the quality. I'm loving the size medium. Unfortunately, the larges are too big for me because they're just a little bit too heavy. But I would say if you go with the medium or the small size, that you will be happy if you like lightweight earrings. Let me know in the comments if you have ever bought any Nickel and Suede earrings and what you think.